Dial stopped working.
Awesome. I'll get some lighting for you. So, what I do, the instructions go at least 3 times around.
Yeah, you reset the combination.
At least 3 times around.
Uh-huh.
Stop at 50.
50.
And there's a little line right on here that I can barely see.
And then you turn it to the left until it stops.
Until it stops.
Okay.
Let me get this thing on top out of your way.
This safe is probably 100 years old.
Wow.
Yeah, maybe a little more.
Getting close.
Oops, I got too excited.
Yeah.
Dial stopped working.
Awesome.
Can I open it?
Yeah.
I just want to see the lock. It smells like water damage,
Oh,
honestly.
if somebody can take it.
Yeah. Oh. I moved it, but barely moves. We can leave it like that, so the bolts are out and it won't lock anymore.